Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss our progress towards goals. So at the beginning of the year, we go over our goals and what last year looked like, and we set our goals for this upcoming year. And usually around January time is when we update everyone, post semester exams, post a lot of the mid-year DI moves, and so that's what we're going to be going over today. So norms and rules. You may take notes during this, but I do not want you to take notes on your computer or on your phone. So put away your distractions, and I need 100% of your attention. So I want to talk to you now that we're mid-year about our progress towards goals. I put together this comparison so you can see where we are struggling and where we are succeeding. Please take a moment to read this slide. We are going to talk about how we are going to meet our goal as a campus and how we need to improve our DI data. Before we dive deeper into data, I want us to remember that in our Runberg Academy home, we harmoniously communicate, own it, move past obstacles, and empower each other. Today we're going to have to own it and empower each other because we have a lot of hard work ahead of us. Next, I want to go into state accountability. We are currently projected to be a 69. Now focus your attention on the bottom portion of this slide. Domain 1 is how we did on the test. Domain 2 is school gaps. So do our students meet their growth goals? And Domain 3 is closing the gaps for our English learner students, races, and all sub-pops. Last year, we were a B only because of Domain 2 and Domain 3. Right now, this is where we are currently performing the worst. At this time last year, we were at a 64, and we moved up to an 85. This year, because we're at a 69, if we make that same growth, we will get an A. So that's the good news. What does this mean? That we can and we will meet our goals. Our track record proves that we can and that we will. We are only going to get there if we have our A game on. There are 3 things that we are going to need to make this happen. Number 1, an exemplary first teach. So that means high quality exemplars submitted by the deadline each week. For DI, that means coming fully prepared and rehearsed for the first time you teach that day. Number 2 is engagement. Making sure that you're aggressively monitoring as much as you possibly can during one class, and that you are cold calling. And 3 is tracking towards goals by using our data. Speaking of data, I wanted to dive into that last piece a little bit more. So that at the end of class, students will track on an individual tracker or a wall tracker. That's totally up to you. So they're all tracking either on an individual tracker or a wall tracker. And the post that you are posting exit ticket data, the average of all 3 grades, and the date on the whiteboard outside of your room. Now I want you to take some time to reflect. So close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Okay. It is June 11th, 2020, and I call you, and you answer, no matter what. I tell you that your students have met their goal and that you have hit a 55 achievement score, which is the average of approaches, meets, and masters. Because of you and your hard work, not only was Runberg Academy able to hit an A, but you've made a huge impact on closing the achievement gap. Oh, and you get a huge bonus. I want you now to write down your plan on how you will commit to these 3 things to ensure this call becomes a reality. So I want you to open your eyes, take a deep breath, and write down your plan on how you will commit to these 3 things to ensure this call becomes a reality. Take 3 minutes right now, and I put the slide up with the 3 things. We are only going to get there if we have our A game on. There are those 3 things that we are going to need to do to make this happen. The exemplary first teach, the 100% engagement through aggressive monitoring and cold calling, and data and tracking. All of these things must be true. Doing this 3 out of 5 days is not enough. Barely adequate is not going to swing it. And if we're not there, we're going to make sure that you're held accountable. This could look like staying late to finish an exemplar, your coach jumping into your classroom to model, or changing second period when first period's data was low. Just remember, we have to have our A game on, and we can and we will get this A. We need 100% of our efforts every single day. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I will see you tomorrow morning.